Meaning of fabric.
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 Fabric. Fabric generally refers to any material made through weaving, knitting, crocheting, or bonding fibers together. It is commonly used for clothing, bedding, upholstery, and other textile products. The properties of fabric vary based on the type of fiber used, such as cotton, wool, silk, or synthetic materials like polyester and nylon. Fabric can be lightweight or heavy, smooth or textured, and may be used for different purposes depending on its durability and breathability. Overall, fabric is a versatile and essential component of many products we use in our daily lives.